Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and I welcome you to 21-day vocabulary challenge where you will master more than 300 French words in just 21 days. By the end of this series, you will know the most frequently used words in French. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And in every video, I am going to teach you approximately 10 to 15 new French words. And at the end of each video, we are going to revise all of them together. Make sure you watch and follow this series in order because the difficulty level is going to increase according to the days. I would also like to tell you that this video is just a small portion of our learning program. So if you're looking for complete French learning program, you can visit our website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com and you will find the link in the description box below. So let's just start with the video, and this video is day 17. Le temps. Le temps. Temps. M-P-S, all the letters are silent. So you say le temps. Le temps. There is a little nasal sound. Le temps, which means the weather. Le temps. Le temps. Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Which means how is the weather? Le temps, which means the weather. So when you say, quel temps fait-il? How is the weather? Froid. Froid. Froid, which means cold. So the pronunciation of OI in French is always OA. So you say froid. Froid, which means cold. Il fait froid. Il fait froid, which means it's cold. Or you can say the weather is cold. Il fait froid. So froid, which means cold. On continue avec chaud. Chaud. Chaud, which means hot. It's the opposite of saying froid. So froid, which means cold, and chaud, which means hot. Par exemple, il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. It's hot, or the weather is hot. So chaud. Chaud, hot. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. On continue avec beau. Beau. Beautiful. Beau. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. It's beautiful, or the weather is beautiful. Beau. Beau. Il fait beau. Frais. Frais. Frais, which means fresh. Frais. Frais. Par exemple, il fait frais. Il fait frais, which means it's fresh, or the weather is fresh. So the word frais, which means fresh. Frais. On continue avec mauvais. Mauvais. Mauvais, which means bad. Mauvais. Mauvais. Par exemple, il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. It's bad, or the weather is bad. Il fait mauvais. So the word mauvais, which means bad. On continue avec le soleil. Le soleil. Le soleil, which means the sun. Le soleil. Par exemple, il fait du soleil. Il fait du soleil. It's sunny, or the weather is sunny. Le soleil. The sun. Il fait du soleil. La pluie. La pluie. La pluie, which means the rain. La pluie. Par exemple, il y a de la pluie. Il y a de la pluie. There is rain. La pluie, which means the rain. Il y a de la pluie. On continue avec le vent. Le vent. Le vent, which means the wind. Le vent. Le vent. Par exemple, il fait du vent. Il fait du vent. It's windy or the weather is windy. So le vent, which means the wind. Le vent. On continue avec le brouillard. Le brouillard. It has a little typical pronunciation. Whenever you have the combination ILL in French, you generally do not pronounce double L. So le brouillard. Le brouillard. Le brouillard, which means the fog. Le brouillard. Le brouillard. Par exemple, il fait du brouillard. Il fait du brouillard, which means it's foggy or there is fog. Il fait du brouillard. Le brouillard, which means the fog. C'est vraiment important que vous répétiez après moi. That way, you will always improve your pronunciation. So, le brouillard. Le brouillard. On continue avec le nuage. By the way, this word is an exception. It ends with E, but still that is masculine. Le nuage. Le nuage. The cloud. Le nuage. Par exemple, il y a des nuages. Il y a des nuages. There are clouds. Le nuage. Le nuage. La neige. By the way, it's very close. Huh? The previous one was le nuage. This is la neige. La neige, which means the snow. La neige. La neige. Par exemple, il y a de la neige. Il y a de la neige. There is snow. Pleuvoir, c'est le verbe. It's a verb. Pleuvoir, which means to rain. Pleuvoir. Pleuvoir. Pleuvoir, to rain. Par exemple, il pleut. Il pleut. It rains. Il pleut. It rains or it is raining. So here I have conjugated the verb pleuvoir in the present tense. So pleuvoir, which means to rain. On continue avec neiger. Neiger, which means to snow. Again, that's a verb. Neiger. Neiger, to snow. Par exemple, il neige. Il neige, which means it snows or it is snowing. Here I have conjugated the verb neiger in the present tense. Il neige. It snows or it is snowing. So the verb neiger, which means to snow. On continue avec un orage. Again, this word is an exception. It ends with E, but still it is masculine. So you say un orage. Un orage, which means a storm, or you can say a thunderstorm. Un orage. Il y a un orage. Il y a un orage, which means there is a storm or there is a thunderstorm. Un orage. Un orage. Un éclair. Un éclair. Éclair, which means lightning. Un éclair. Un éclair. Par exemple, il y a des éclairs. Il y a des éclairs, which means there is lightning. Un éclair, which means lightning. Let's just revise all of them together. Le temps. Le temps, the weather. Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? How is the weather? Il fait froid. Il fait froid. It's cold. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. It's hot. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. It's beautiful. Il fait frais. Il fait frais. It's fresh. Il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. It's bad. Or the weather is bad. Il fait du soleil. Il fait du soleil. It's sunny. Il y a de la pluie. Il y a de la pluie. There is rain. Il fait du vent. Il fait du vent. It's windy. Il fait du brouillard. Il fait du brouillard. It's foggy. Il y a des nuages. Il y a des nuages. There are clouds. Il y a de la neige. Il y a de la neige. There is snow. Il pleut. Il pleut. It rains or it is raining. Il neige. Il neige. It snows or it is snowing. Il y a un orage. Il y a un orage, which means there is a storm or there is a thunderstorm. Et finalement, il y a des éclairs. Il y a des éclairs. There is lightning. Now that's it for day 17 video. Make sure before day 18 video is released, you have learned and revised very properly whatever I have taught from day 1 to day 17. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to share this series with all your friends and relatives, whosoever is learning French. And I will see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.